Moisturizing Repair Balm is one of the products I feel like is not talked about enough because it is a golden product. This right here is going to help with any dry, cracked heels, elbows, cuticles, anything on your skin. So you know those sandal feet where the back of your heels are super tough, right? Within 5 days or less, okay, depending on the intensity of your heels, it is going to turn into baby soft feet once again. So you are going to put this on to the area that you need it softened, and what it does, it holds its water weight 400 times. So therefore it's holding them in, staying it on, so therefore it gives it time to actually penetrate and cover and treat that dry skin. Cuticles also, you can use it. Oh, I have to tell you a story. I had a guy and his wife, they came over. I was doing a one-on-one consultation with them, and I noticed on his thumb that it was cut and it was all dry on the outside. Well, he was a construction worker, and what had happened is that he cut himself while working construction or on his already dry, cracked hands. So when it got cut, even though he got stitches, the stitches would not heal because the skin was so dry on the outside and had already dried on the inside a little bit too, because that's how dry his hands were. It went down lots of layers of his skin. Therefore, he was still in pain because it would not close. I saw that. I ran in and I was like, look here, you can take the rest of mine. Okay. Because at that point I could tell that they did not believe me that this product would work. So I was like, here, you just take it. Okay. Literally within 3 days, I got a text message. And she was like, I wish I took a before picture. I wish I did too, because it had basically healed itself almost over to where it was also less painful for him. He was able to work, and it healed his finger. Probably a few more days later, but you can tell the major difference. All the dry crackness was gone. It was just soft, and all it now was the time to kind of heal it right back together and close it up. But just within those 3 days, the pain has subsided, the looks, the texture of his finger, all of that was pretty much healed, and he was ready to rock and roll. This is tried and true. It is amazing. Again, not talked about enough. It's one of those that you don't need all the time, but it is definitely something that you need. Our Moisturizing Repair Balm.